Hello everyone. So for today I thought we could make these booklets out of old book page and some brown paper that I got from whatchamacallit. This is just packing paper. I just thought it'd be kind of fun to do this with you, so that's what we're gonna do. I have two more. All it is I take my two papers, flip them like this, take my glue stick, and then I fold it over and cut it as straight as I can across. And voila, we got our little booklets ready to go to glue. Now I'm taking old pieces from others' pages and I'm just going to take it across here. I'm okay with it looking ripped. And just glue it on. I saw on Facebook actually in the last day where somebody asked what I do for my pages for my journals. And honestly, what I do for my pages of my journals is exactly what I'm doing currently. Whatever I can get my hands a hold of paper-wise is what I use. I don't necessarily have a particular style or way about it. I just use what I have. Don't like that piece. Again, I'm not in any particular style. I just try to use what I have. If you have copy paper, use copy paper. If you get packaging paper while ordering stuff online, use your packaging paper. Use anything you get. When you go out dining or anything else like that, you can use these. If you have kids, use your kids' papers. I mean, again, it's all about how you feel and what you feel comfortable using. But again, I'm just using up what I have. I'm not being very particular with this. I'm just gluing what I have down. Again, I'm just using the brown paper I have sitting around here. There's scraps all over the place. I just want to use my scraps up just as much as my regular paper up. So there we go. I have some of this paper, which I think would be just enough to fill this up. Again, I'm just trying to keep it as plain as possible, but again, to have that look to it is kind of important. So there we go, we got our booklet going here. Now, to get the pages, I took something like this, stuck it in here, this is how I end up with scraps. And this determines how many pages I get. And then I pamphlet stitch it in. Let's decorate this. Oh, and I also wanted to show you quick the results of the last one with the tickets, doing them sideways. All right. So again, I'm just doing that, sticking it on. And I'm distressing this one quick. These are for my bird journal. I need a couple of fillers, so I thought this would be a perfect little project to do journal card fillers, because I don't always like using journal cards every single time and that type of thing. So I decided to make a couple booklets to go in it. And I'll probably do the same with my other little journals that I have going too. It's just right now, this is the current journal that I want to finish up, so I just figured bring you along for trying to finishing up that journal. I have tags, journaling cards, and all that jazz that I need to make for that journal, and 4 more pockets. So I'm kind of working my way, trying to get as much done as I can. Again, I'm just doing kind of random here. Anything to use up what I already have as much as I can. Get these pages as plain as I can get them. So there we go, that piece. And then we can cover up the rest of this with this piece. And again, I'm just collaging basically with paper bag. So there we go, all done with this page. And again, I'll do my little thing here where I cut it down. There, and then I line it up right here, and I can cut it down this way too. And again, I'm just gonna cut across. And voila, we got our pages. Good to go. Now let's decorate this, which I thought that would be perfect. And I'll distress around the book page itself when I'm done. Huh? Your pink book? I don't know where you put your pink book.
I didn't got it.
All right, can you wait just a moment? Okay. Give me 1 minute, honey, and I'll be there. Okay? I just want to finish this little bit for our viewers, and then we'll work on it. And again, I find string and I just do the normal 3-hole pamphlet stitch across. You could also use a sewing machine and just sew it in. But I need to go. I need to find Bella's pink journal. So enjoy the rest of your day or night. Bye.